Hey guys, so we're doing another video. Yes, I'm back. I know it's been a while. My name is Jessica. If you're not a subscriber, then please take the chance to subscribe to my channel, like my channel, please, and comment below. Comment on this video, go watch some of my past videos, and tell me what you think. Let me know what you guys are interested in seeing more of on my channel. This video is all about what's in my bag, and it's about my Chanel Gabrielle HOBO bag, which is here. I love this bag. I've been in the market for a new bag for a while now, and I was interested in going into the becoming a part of the Chanel family because this is my first Chanel purchase. Jules, really? This is my first Chanel purchase. So it took a little bit for me to decide which ones I wanted to make be my first bag, and I chose this one because it's so interesting. But yeah, it's called the Gabrielle HOBO, and I got it in the smaller size. It comes in 3 sizes: the small, medium, and large. I feel like this one's really great because, like I said, you can dress it up or dress it down. It's a good amount of stuff in it. What are you doing?
Nothing.
No, so what is she doing? Just like yelling all of a sudden? Is Peppa Pig on?
Yeah.
Lord help me. Okay, yeah, so what's in my bag? Alright, to give you guys a little specs on this bag, I love it because of the different hardware that it offers. So if you're wearing gold, it complements that. If you're wearing silver, it has this little pull here for the zip, which I love. The aged calfskin, similar to the one that's on the 255 bag, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, and I love it because of the structured bottom. It's super hard. It won't lose its shape, so that's really great. I just think it's so interesting. I love this bag. I love the size of it, and I think it's so dope. I think it's so different. I love that Karl Lagerfeld took the chance to just explore a new bag, a new piece, and not just come out with new colors and sticking to the simple classics or the boy bag. He took it a whole nother in a whole different direction. So this is the bag here, guys, and we're going to see what's in it, see all the things you can fit in it, my essentials that I carry every day in this bag. I just love it so much. I love the chains detail. I love the strap. It's so cool. Everything about this bag is so me. We're going to see everything you can fit in the Chanel Gabrielle small HOBO bag. So again, it has this little tie tab that you can pull, which is really great. I have this thing packed with everything in it, so it helps you out a little bit. All right, the first thing that I have is my Louis Vuitton Organizer. It keeps my passport in it, a few receipts behind it, and I keep a few gift cards that I get, a few little membership cards, like my Sephora card, my Victoria's Secret card, my Social Security card, my medical cards, and just a few maybe dollars behind here. And I got it monogrammed with my initials on it. I was able to get them to do my full name, which I love. So this is something I always keep on me. That is my Louis Vuitton Organizer. All right, and must have hand sanitizer. Living in New York, if you don't have this, you're nasty. And being a mom, I have to always have hand sanitizer on me. This isn't even big enough for what I need to do. I need a bigger container. And when I bought the bag, I bought this card holder as well, which I know I didn't need this, but I wanted it. So yes, I bought this card holder. The one I initially bought was the smaller one that has the little slots on it, but that one was for $100. And then I was looking on the website and I saw this one. I was like, oh my god, I wish I would have saw this when I was there, because this one was $475, extra $75. This one looks so beautiful with the logo, and it fits so much more. You have so many cards in here. Sometimes I fold dollars and put it behind there. I have a little slot here in the front, which I keep my essential cards that I use every single day, like my debit card, my ID is there, and then other cards that I use throughout like the week and stuff. So I love this card holder that I got from Chanel. I got it in the gold hardware, which still complements the hardware on the bag, like I said, because the bag comes with silver hardware, gold hardware, and you can just like pair any accessories that you want with it. Even I feel like the Louis Vuitton like thing still kind of looks great with it. So yeah, I got that. That is my card holder. If you guys are interested in a video more about this card holder, please comment below. Let me know what you think. I just love this one for $475. I think it's really good. It fits a lot. It is the caviar skin, so I love that. It's very durable. It's gonna last a long time. And they just they made a really good product with this one. I love it a lot, and I'm glad that I got this opposed to the one I initially got before, which was for $400, and it could fit maybe like 6 cards in it. This one I think I got like 15 cards in this thing. I have my business cards, my husband's stuff, like just everything in it. Like, I love this one. So yeah, that's my card holder, and don't forget to comment below if you're interested in seeing like a individual video on the card holder. All right, and one other thing which I think is so amazing is like that hidden treat inside the bag, and it's a key finder, and it's a leather piece that they like placed inside the bag, because I'm always getting to I wait as soon as I get to my door and I'm like, where are my keys? And so this makes it so easy. Even though the bag is not that deep, it still is a great thing to just have this key finder. And I just clip my keys to it. You open your door and you're set, and just throw it back in. So that's really great. That's my key finder, and that is attached to the bag. And I love it because even on the key finder, it has the Chanel logo right there. So just like little things like that just elevates the bag. I think it's like so special. You know, Chanel, they're all about luxury. And a lot of people even mentioned that the quality of their bags have went down. Let me know what you guys think. Like, if you own a Chanel bag and you feel like the quality isn't that great from like some of the vintage pieces, let me know what you think, because this is like my first piece, my first Chanel bag. So for me, it's wonderful. But for those of you that have been in the game for a while and know a lot, like you actually own multiple Chanel pieces and you feel like the quality isn't that great, let me know what you think. But I love this bag, so I'm keeping it. Like, it's everything to me. And I have a few like just lip pieces, like my neutral colors. And I have this, which I bought this like a long time ago. It's just like a clear kind of like lip balm. And I love the packaging. I'm kind of ghetto because I've had this thing for forever, but this is Vaseline that I put inside of it. Like, you know those little Vaseline things you get? I just refilled it and put it in a container. Because, honey, I'm not throwing out my lip container. I think this is too cute just to, like, once it's gone, to be like, okay, bye. No. I just put, like, my little Vaseline, like, lip things, which I love. They're so good. And I just put it inside this container. I just think that for the money I paid for this, I'm not just going to say, okay, I go out and buy another one. I don't have it like that to just say it's done. So yeah, that is what this is, and it has Vaseline inside. Okay? Yes. And this is my NARS lip gloss. I love this one. This is a neutral. I recently got this from Bloomingdale's. So this is like my day-to-day like look that I just want to put on when I'm like casual, just running around. The color is called Stripped. So yeah, that's that, my NARS lip gloss. And then I have this Revlon nude color. Sometimes I wear them together. And that's actually what I have on today. Yeah, it's on my lips now. I have on Stripped by NARS. And this Revlon color, which I've had for forever. It doesn't have a name. It's just the number, which is 215. So those are my lip glosses that I carry in my bag as well. And that's about it. That's all that I, you know, put in it. You can fit a little bit more. Sometimes I have my sunglasses in there, but, you know, that's every now and then. But yeah, so it has 2 little compartments. You have a place for your, you have a place for your lip gloss. and you have one big slot in the back, and you have a zipper on this side here, which I keep my card. It's the authenticity card that has like the number, so I keep that actually in the purse. I should probably take it out, but yeah, so I keep that in there as well. So it has like a few compartments in it too to be such a small piece. Yeah, so it's a really great bag. If you've been interested in like seeing more about it, let me know if you want to see like looks and stuff, which I have a video coming out soon of different ways to style it, to show you how many interesting ways it goes, because that was one of the things that really drew me into the bag, that made me interested in, like, you know, spending my money. But yes, I love this bag. I went with the black. It was $3,600 for it, and that is for the smaller size. And I love the fact that it has like the pop of red inside. Just a special bag. I love it. I love the distressed look of it. I love the hard material at the bottom, which keeps its structure. Like if you sit it down, it stands up. It's just a really great piece. They didn't put feet on the bottom, which I don't know how you even look, but that would have been like a little bit more of like an elevated look too, to maybe have some feet to protect the leather. But yeah, it doesn't have any feet at the bottom, but that's fine. And I love the fact that the adjustable strap, which I adjusted already, and I put it on the last little inserts that you can do, and it offers the gold and the aged like silver, I guess this is, or titanium or something. I think I heard somebody mention that was the name of the metal, but I've already adjusted it. And I love the chain detail. You know, Chanel's known for their, perfect. You know, Chanel is known for their chain. They're known for their great leather. And I think they really did a great job with this piece. I love it. I've seen it in tweed options. I've seen it with blue. I've seen it with white and black combo. But yeah, I just thought the black was really great because it'll go with everything. And I've just been wearing this bag every day. I love everything about it. I've worn with jeans, I've worn with dresses, and it just complements every look that I have paired with it. So if you're interested in my dress, it's from HOBO. It's cute, it's affordable, and it's sold in Target. And I'm wearing earrings by Dior. And my earrings are from Dior. I think they're so cute with like the little different accents on each hoop. Has a star on this one, and has J'adore on this side. Yeah, so that concludes everything that's in my bag. My Chanel Gabrielle HOBO bag, the small size. Yeah, it was a really great purchase. I love everything about this bag. And if you want to see anything else pertaining to this bag, please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you like it, if you think that it's you know, whatever, then let me know what you think. I think that it's fabulous. It's a great piece. So yeah, that's it. That's what's in my bag.